Only a top boiler manufacturer can help you with the best quality and energy-efficient boilers. They not only supply top-quality boilers, but also help with maintenance and repair services as well. So, if you need steam boiler repair assistance or any other service regarding your existing boilers, get help from a trusted platform. Is the most recommended name in this regard in Australia, as their experts have experience in dealing with boiler difficulties. Only they can guide you in the right direction. For details about their services, check o'brienenergy.com.au thoroughly, or call 1300-771-759 and consult your requirements directly with them, and serve your requirements with confidence.